Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
In this video, you will get to know how I converted Cardi B's image into a lookalike AI image. So all you just have to do is to carefully watch the video to the very end to know how this is being done. Hello, welcome back to Design and Tech Hub YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use your image to generate a lookalike AI, your own personal image. How you can use this image to generate a lookalike AI image. But before diving into the video, if you're a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing content. You might have been wondering, you might have been seeing people creating beautiful AI images and lookalike images of themselves, but you don't know how this is being done. In this video, I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process through which these lookalike AI images being created. So just make sure you watch the video to the very end carefully so that you can understand the step-by-step process involved. So now we'll be heading to the app we'll be using. So let's wait while it is loading. So as you can see, once you enter the app, it's still loading. Once you enter the app, this is the first interface you'll be having. This is the interface you'll be having. So what you just have to do is that if you want to create a lookalike image of yourself, all you just have to do is to click on any model here. Once you click on the model, you can select any image you want to use. So once you select the image you want to use, then you can convert it easily into your lookalike image. So let's just let us use one of these. Let us use this. So as you can see, this is a model. This is the performer image, and this is the new image of the lady. So all you just have to do, once you click on the model you want to use, you just open your gallery, or you select, if you have the image you want to use here, you select the image. As you can see, I've selected this image. So just click on this arrow where I'm pointing that line. Click on this arrow. So once you can see, so if you want to remove this watermark, the watermark here, if you want to remove that watermark, you have to go pro. Once you click on this, it will ask you to go pro. So once you want to go pro, you will have to link your credit card and make a payment you have to make a payment. But you have a 3 days free trial. You can use that. You can use a 3 days free trial. But once the 3 day is exhausted, you will be debited for this. So you can just cancel your payment before 3 days. Once you cancel the payment, you won't have to pay for it, but you won't be able to remove the you won't be able to remove the watermark again. So let's try another model. That is for that model. Let's try another model. This is another model. So let's just click on the image you want to use and click on this arrow and download your image. So the image has been saved to our gallery. So that is that about that. So we can see give another model a try. Let's try this. I say that there are many there are as much as you want. There are many effects like that you can use. There are many effects.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact.
As you can see, there are as much as many effects you can use.
Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath.
You can see this, let's try this.
I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a best.
So you can just try any effect of your choice and it will be converted to a lookalike image of you. That is just how you can try this. If you find this video helpful, just please like, comment and subscribe on the channel. Thanks for watching.
I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooters gonna